Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform Google Backup on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. First of all, we need to open Settings. Then in the Settings you want to scroll down and go to Google. Over here in Google Services you will find this information about the backup. You can tap Manage Backup over here, or you can go to All Services, and then over here if you scroll down to the backup section you should be able to find backup as well. So once you go over here, you should be able to enable or disable the backup by Google One. Of course, you want this to be enabled. At the bottom over here, you have backup details. Some of these can be adjusted. For instance, if you go to photos and videos, then you can decide if you want to make backup of those files. And not only that, we also have some details about the synchronization with the account. This can also be backed up. And I think that's pretty much it. Now in order to make the backup, of course we have the backup now button, so you can press it in order to perform the backup, enter the screen lock password, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!